Hi guys! So, I stumbled across this recipe and my curiosity got the best of me. So we're going to make an orange juice cake. You're going to take 1 box of yellow cake mix, 1 small pack of orange gelatin, some canola oil, a few eggs, some orange zest, and some orange juice, the kind that you buy out of the store. So we're going to beat this on low for 30 seconds, and then we're going to turn it on medium and beat it for 2 minutes. Next, we're going to pour it into a well-greased baking pan. We're going to go ahead and pop this in the oven and bake it for 50 to 60 minutes. While it's in the oven, we're going to make our glaze. You're going to take some powdered sugar, some orange juice from a fresh orange, and some orange zest. We're going to simply mix those 3 ingredients together. You want to whisk it until it's nice and smooth. Now we have our fresh orange glaze. You want to let it cool in the pan for about 10 minutes, and then you want to go ahead and take it out of the pan. While it's still warm, you're going to poke a few holes in your cake, and you're going to drizzle on that delicious glaze. I was so afraid of what this was going to taste like. It tastes like an orange cream cake. So if you're a fan of orange cream, that's exactly what it tastes like. It's so good. Yum.